Hello, today we will be making the Kaleji and Pota Tawa Masala. It is an exciting combination of textures and spices cooked perfectly on a sizzling tawa. This dish combines tender chicken liver with hearty gizzards. Begin by cleaning the Kaleji and Pota thoroughly. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are perfect for quick cook on the tawa. We will do a simple marination by adding ginger paste and garlic paste. Coat the pieces thoroughly and marinate this for a minimum of 30 minutes. For making the masala, heat a small amount of refined oil in a tawa. To this, add and melt some butter to give it a rich flavor. Remember, butter has a lower smoking point than oil, so always add some oil before adding butter to prevent it from burning. Add chopped onions and fry on a medium flame until they turn golden brown. The salt in the butter will help brown the onions faster. Once the onions are brown, add ginger paste and garlic paste. Stir in and let the mixture sizzle for a minute so that all the flavors are infused. Now add in the marinated Kaleji and Pota to the mixture. On a high flame, fry them until they start to take a whitish hue. Then add chopped tomatoes, some salt to melt the tomatoes, and for the masalas add turmeric powder, spicy chili powder, coriander powder, chili flakes, and some garam masala. Mix the masalas and fry over a medium flame until the tomatoes start to sweat. At this point, the kitchen will be filled with vibrant aromas of the spices. Scrape the mixture to the middle, cover and simmer for 5 minutes. This will melt the tomatoes and the juices will combine with the spices to give it its impeccable flavor. Toss the masala, ensuring each piece is coated. Add a generous handful of chopped coriander leaves and some chopped chilies to make it chatpata. Give it a final stir to marry all the elements together. Finish it with a slice of butter on top. And there you have it, Kaleji and Pota Tawa Masala. Serve it hot off the tawa with a side of naan or rice and watch it as it becomes the star of your dining table. If you love this recipe, give it a like, and until next time, happy cooking!